Let's make butter chicken shawarma, but healthy. Ultra Nova, this recipe is delicious and it's only 550 calories. Begin by using the best part of the chicken. Boneless chicken thighs cut into shawarma sized pieces. Then go in with olive oil, garlic paste, cumin powder, paprika powder, coriander powder and salt. Mix until the spices have combined and the colour has changed. While it's marinating in the fridge, let's make our butter chicken sauce. To a pan with some ghee, saute a finely chopped onion, then add garlic paste and grate some fresh ginger. Give it a quick mix before adding cumin powder, coriander powder, paprika powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, cinnamon powder and cayenne pepper. Then we add tomato puree and low-fat coconut milk. Then we give it a good mix and it should start looking like butter chicken sauce. Now add honey for that sweetness, fenugreek leaves aka kasturi methi and salt to taste, and we give it a final mix. Now to adjust the thickness you can add more coconut milk. When I say this sauce is next level, trust me. My last video is just this butter chicken sauce. Go check it out and bookmark it. I've been having this sauce with everything. Try it out and you'll see why. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Add your chicken into a pan on medium-high heat, then grill until cooked and it's developed some colour. We're going to save any chicken juices to use for the rice to give it some nice flavour. After removing the chicken, deglaze the pan with the chicken juices or some water, making sure to scrape all that goodness off the bottom, because once we add the rice, we're going to mix all that flavour into it before adding our water, then giving it a quick mix again. Then we cover the rice and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes until nice and fluffy. And now it's time to serve. I could eat this butter chicken shawarma bowl every day. It's so filling, the macros are great, and this sauce is on another level. Follow me and comment below what you want me to make healthy next. Now enjoy.